Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to install Eclipse IDE in your Windows operating system. So let's begin. First of all, you need to check whether you have Java already installed on your computer. So for that, just click on the command prompt and type java space dash version, enter. And now see, you got a response from Java that the Java version 15.0.1 has been installed on your computer. So if you get this similar type of message, then you just know that Java has already been installed on your computer and you can now proceed to install Eclipse IDE. But if you get some different message like Java has not been recognized as an internal or an external command, something like that, then you just know that you don't have Java installed on your computer and you need to first install Java before installing Eclipse IDE. So for that I have already made a video on how to install Java in your Windows 10 operating system. I will be putting the link in the description and you will also get the link in the I button. So you just click on that link and you just know just how to install Java, and then you can proceed with this video, that is this how to install Eclipse IDE in your Windows 10 operating system. So in my computer I have already installed Java, so now I can proceed to install Windows. Proceed to install Eclipse IDE. So for that I'll just click on Chrome and I'll type Eclipse IDE for Windows 10. Now the first link that you will be getting is from this eclipse.org. So just click on the first link and now click on this download section. Now here a link is given to download Eclipse IDE 2020-12. So just click on this download. And here it shows the nearest server location, that is in Japan they have a server location. So all you need to do is just to click on this download and your download will start automatically. I have already downloaded Eclipse IDE, so I just cancel it and I will just open it from my download section. So here is my downloaded file. So I'll just double click on it, file, and now as you can see this Eclipse installation is now launched, and so here is the interface. So basically Eclipse is generally used for the Java developers, but you can also use for other programming languages like C, C++, JavaScript, PHP, etc. So here in this video we'll install Eclipse for Java developers. So I'll just click on that. Now here is the Eclipse IDE for Java developers interface. So here this is the directory of your JDK, that is this 15.0.1 version has been rightly installed on this directory, and this is the installation folder where your Eclipse IDE 2020-12 is going to be installed. I'll check these two options, that is this create start menu entry and create desktop shortcut, so that I can open this Eclipse IDE at ease. So now I'll then just click on install. Now just click this accept now on this user agreement and proceed further. So now your installation has been started. You need to have an active internet connection right throughout this installation, as your Eclipse IDE will install few other packages during this installation. So we'll just wait for a few minutes and I'll also come back right after the installation. So now your installation has been completed successfully. So just click on the launch button and now your Eclipse IDE 2012 has been launched. This is the default location of your Eclipse workspace. So in this directory all your Java projects is going to be present. So just check that box and click on launch. So now your Eclipse IDE has been opened completely as it says welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So I'll just close this banner and I will click on new project. So just go to just click on create a Java project and type your project name. I will type hello world, and the Java version is current version, that is Java AC 15. So I will just click on that and I will just simply click on finish. I don't want to create any module, so I just simply click on don't create, and now your new Java project has been created. And see, now we got an error and it says the project was not built due to failed to init hello world. So basically here the problem is the Gre location has not been configured. So for that we need to first configure this Gre location, that is this runtime environment. We need to click on Windows and then click on Preferences. And now in the search box just simply type installed Gre and just click on the installed Gres, and here just double click on the path, and here you need to paste your Gre location path. So for that go to the C directory, then click on program files, then Java, then click on JDK 15.0.1. So this is the path. So to get the path you need to click on this address bar, just copy it and then go to the Eclipse IDE, and here in Gre home just Ctrl A and then paste the JDK path. Now just click finish. Yeah. Now just apply and close. Now see, the error has been gone. So now you can simply type your program and you can compile and run. So now we'll go to src and we'll create a new package. So in here I'll type com.myfirstjava.program and then I'll click on finish. Now that your package has been created, we'll now create a new class, and I will type here hello world, and in here I'll check this public static void main so that it automatically create, and I will type on finish. Now here I will simply type system.out.println hello world, and I'll just click on the run button, just save and launch it, and here as you can see the hello world has been rightly printed on the console. Now if I just change it to hello everyone, and if I run it again, save and launch, and here as you can see this output has been modified to hello everyone. So this is how you install Eclipse IDE in your Windows 10 operating system. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. So thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.